To initiate copy trading on Etoro, start by opening the Etoro app or website, then navigate to the Discover section. From there, click on Copy Trader to proceed. This will direct you to a page where you can select a trader to copy based on your preferred risk level, such as low, medium, or high. You can also filter by the duration of the trade, ranging from 0 to 1 year, and choose the specific assets you're interested in. After setting your preferences, click Continue to view a list of traders who match your criteria. Each trader's profile will display their return percentage, the number of people copying them, and other relevant details. To copy a trader, click on their account, then select the Copy option. You'll need to allocate a minimum of $200 to copy a trader, so ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. Once you've set the amount, confirm your selection, and you'll begin copying the trader's actions.